Welcome back to our channel, your favorite place for unique and stylish home decor inspirations. Today, let's take a peaceful stroll into the timeless beauty of rock gardens and rock patio decor. A perfect blend of nature, texture, and art right in your own backyard or terrace. Rock gardens, also known as alpine gardens, are more than just arrangements of stones. They are tranquil, low maintenance landscapes that add texture, depth, and serenity to any space. These gardens bring a zen like calmness, often inspired by Japanese design, and can transform even a small corner into a natural retreat. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a compact balcony, rock gardens can be tailored to fit and beautify your space. What makes rock gardens so beautiful? It's a contrast between stone and green, the hard texture of rocks paired with the soft touch of plants like succulents, moss, or ornamental grasses. They are perfect for dry climates, easy to maintain, and stay stunning all year round. No need for constant watering or mowing, just timeless elegance. The natural colors of rocks, grays, browns, whites, pair wonderfully with earthy tones and rustic decor themes. Now, let's talk about rock patio decor, a trending and elegant way to style your outdoor space. Imagine sitting in a patio space surrounded by smooth pebbles, stylish stepping stones, or mosaic rock art. You can use river rocks, crushed gravel, or decorative boulders to define paths, create seating zones, or even build a rock fire pit. Add a wooden bench or a small water fountain, and you have created a peaceful hideaway that feels like a spa retreat. Rock gardens aren't just about rocks, they work best with drought tolerant plants like aloe vera, jade plants, lavender, or miniature evergreens. Add garden lights, tree fruit, or ceramic planters to elevate the design. Incorporate a few metallic or terracotta accents to add charm and dimension. Want to get creative? DIY rock garden projects are perfect for families or solo time. Painting rocks with patterns or inspirational quotes can be a fun weekend activity. You can also design rock mosaics in your patio using colored stones to make floral or geometric patterns. It's therapeutic, creative, and add a personal touch to your decor. Rock gardens can be created in front yards for a striking first impression. Backyard corners as meditation space along driveways or walkways, even on terraces or balconies with raised beds or containers. They are also ideal for people who want a stylish garden without the stress of high upkeep. With just a few elements, you can revamp your outdoor space into a rustic or modern paradise. Now, let's talk about how to keep your rock garden clean and beautiful over time. First, regularly remove fallen leaves or debris using a small rake or leaf blower. This prevents dirt buildup and keeps your stones looking fresh. Next, wash the rocks occasionally with water. Just a simple house down can remove dust and stains. For tougher grains, use a mix of water and mild dish soap with a brush. Weeds can grow between the rocks, so lay a weed barrier fabric underneath the stones when designing your garden. If weeds still appear, pull them out early or use a natural weed killer like vinegar. Also, avoid overwatering. Wall gardens are designed to be dry, and too much moisture can lead to moss or algae.